Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay from Smartify My Biz, and we're going to be starting a series called Tech Tip Tuesdays. So if you care to follow along, please make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified every time we release a new video. So this week is a short and sweet tip, but it will make you love logging into your browser on your computer. It's a handy extension for Google Chrome browser called Momentum, and it replaces a new tab with a personal dashboard featuring to-do, weather, and inspiration. The great thing is you can personalize it and create a login, so you're able to use this same browser function on multiple different users if you're using Google Chrome. So for example, I have two different Chrome users. I have one here and I have one here. So when I want to switch browsers, I'm able to still see the same dashboard. There's a weather feature up here, so if you click it, it tells you what your weather's doing for the next week. You also are able to store links over here. You can even search Google just by clicking your search here. The great thing is that you can put in your main focus for today. So mine is film video. Every time I open up a new window, I will always see the to-do I need to do. The other great thing is your to-do feature down here. So you can have what's coming up today, and if you just have topic 1, topic 2, and you can tick them off. Once you've finished. You can sort by different lists, and you can see everything you've done over time. And if you want to customize it, you can come down here to settings and you can choose whether you see links, the search bar, whether you can add your focus, your to-do, and you can also add quotes and mantras. They do have a plus version, so if you upgrade, you can get countdown timers, have metrics, put notes, and use world clocks. And of course, my favorite feature of all is the fact that they have beautiful images. So if you love traveling like me, this is a great way to figure out all the next places you're going to go to, post-coronavirus, of course. So I hope this tech tip helped you this week. Once again, if you'd like to hear more tech tips every Tuesday, please hit the subscribe button. If you liked this video, please leave a comment, like it, or maybe share it with your friends. They really would enjoy opening up a new browser window and seeing beautiful images like this. Thanks, guys. Have a great one, and I'll see you next week.